Is your Optus modem not turning on? Let's fix that. First, check the power adapter. Ensure it's securely plugged into both the modem and the wall. A loose connection is a common culprit. Verify the adapter's voltage matches your modem's requirements, usually 12 to 24 volt DC. If possible, test with a known working adapter. Next, examine the power LED. A solid green light indicates normal operation. If it's off or blinking red, there's a problem. Before moving on, try power cycling. Unplug the modem from the power outlet for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step resolves many temporary glitches. Power cycling resolves 70% of issues. Ensure your modem isn't overheating, especially during summer months. Overheating causes spontaneous shutdowns. Let the modem cool down before attempting to power it on again. If power cycling doesn't work, use the modem's LEDs to diagnose the issue further. A blinking red Internet or DSL LED often indicates connection problems, while no lights could suggest hardware failure. Consult your Optus modem's manual for specific LED meanings. If you suspect a software glitch, perform a hard reset. Locate the reset button on the back or bottom of the modem. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 30 seconds, depending on the model, until the modem restarts. A hard reset restores the modem to its default settings, clearing temporary glitches and hopefully resolving the issue. Remember that you will lose all your custom settings, such as Wi-Fi passwords. After resetting the modem, you will need to reconfigure your Wi-Fi network. This can be done through the My Optus app. It is important that these fixes are non-invasive and should precede contacting Optus support, 1-800-783-333, as they can void warranties if hardware is tampered with.